Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on your TCL 30SE. So in order to do that, let's open our Google Play Store and we'll need to search for an app. Here write Google Classroom and hit the search button. Select this app and press install. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open the app, get started, and here you can choose the already existing account or add another one. So I'm just going to pick that one. Now press on this plus button and join the class. Enter the code which you should be provided with, and then simply press join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.